Next, we will see what is the importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas act as a natural barrier. Barrier means a fence or an obstacle which prevents the movement of people for our country in the north. They protect our country from the neighboring countries as they act as a barrier. They are the source of many perennial rivers. Perennial rivers means rivers lasting throughout the year. The water from the perennial rivers is used for irrigation purpose and generating electricity. The Himalayan forests are the home to a number of rare species of wild animals like snow leopard or musk deer. So these are the importance of the Himalayas. Next we will see how is the life in the mountains. Here we will study about the states in the northern part of India. First state in the northern part we will study is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state of India. As you can see here in this map, you can see the location of Jammu and Kashmir. It is the northernmost state. It is surrounded by Himachal Pradesh and Punjab in the south, Pakistan in the southwest, and Afghanistan and China in the north. Summer capital is Srinagar and its winter capital is Jammu. The rivers which flow in Jammu and Kashmir are Chenab, Jhelum and Indus. The official language of the state is Urdu. Also, Kashmiri, Dogri, Pahari, Hindi and Punjabi are also spoken here. In this region, men as well as women wear firan and salwar. Some men also wear chudidar with firan. Men wear pathani suits. Women wear heavy silver jewelry. The folk dances in Jammu and Kashmir is Rauf and Dogri, which is performed by Kashmiri women. Festivals celebrated here are Eid, Urs at Khaneka and at Chare Sharif. In the plains of Jammu, Lodi, Diwali, Baisakhi are also celebrated. People in this region do agriculture, livestock rearing and terrace farming. The main crops grown by the people is rice, wheat, maize, saffron and barley. Fruit cultivation is also done here, which is an important source of wealth for the state. Fruit orchards are found in plenty. Plenty means in large numbers. Art and craft industries is also there, which does silk weaving, woolen shawls, carpet weaving, basket making, sports goods along with silver, brass and copper work. Some tourist destination places are there in Jammu and Kashmir, that is Gulmarg, Sonmarg, Dal Lake, Wular Lake and Amarnath Caves. People visit these places and enjoy the natural beauty. Kashmir is also famous for Mughal gardens like Shalimar Bagh and Nishat Bagh. Below Jammu and Kashmir, the northern state is Himachal Pradesh. It is surrounded by Jammu and Kashmir in the north, Punjab in the west, Uttar Pradesh in the south and Uttaranchal in the east. Its capital is Shimla. Main rivers flowing through the state is Ravi, Beas, Chenab and Satluj. Main languages spoken in this region is Pahari, Kinnauri along with Punjabi and Hindi. Here the clothes worn by men is loose shirts and pajamas with colorful round Himachali caps. Women wear salwar or pajama with loose colorful kurtas and scarves around their head. The dance forms practiced here is Shona, Nati and Burra. Main festivals of Himachal Pradesh is Haryali, Lahol, Lohri, Baisakhi, Dharamshala festival and Kullu Dashera. Main occupation of the people in this region is agriculture and the crops grown is rice, wheat, maize and barley. Himachal Pradesh is also the largest producer of apples in the country. Also, pash- pashmina shawls, woodcraft, rugs, carpets, silver jewelry, woolen caps, shawls with traditional embroidery and Kangra miniature paintings are well known. Miniature means small. Small paintings are well known. The tourist destination places in Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, Kullu Valley, Manali, Solang Valley, Dalhousie, Kangra Valley and Dharamshala. Below Himachal Pradesh is Uttarakhand. It is surrounded by Tibet in the north, Nepal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the south and Himachal Pradesh in the northwest. Its capital is Dehradun. The main rivers flowing through the state is Ganga and Yamuna. Main languages in this state is Kharwali, Kumaoni and Hindi. Local dance forms in this state is Langveer Nritya, Barada Nati and Cholia. Men wear pajama kurta with a headgear or turban. Women wear Rangwali Pichora, which is a garment worn at ceremonial occasions with jewelry. Festivals celebrated here is Vasant Panchami, Dashera, Makar Sankranti, Holi, Nanda Devi Mela and Harela Mela. The crops grown here are wheat, basmati rice, oilseeds, pulses and groundnuts. Sugarcane is an important cash crop grown in the state. Handicrafts means objects made by hand, are wood carving, paintings, handcrafted gold jewelry, basket weaving, woolen shawls, scarves and rugs are made in this state. Hill stations found in Uttarakhand are Pahari and Kangra schools of art, Ranikhet, Bhimtal, Almora, Kasauni, Nainital, Mashuri, Chamoli, etc. as well as many hill stations are there. Some important tourist attraction places are Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Jim Corbett, Valley of Flowers, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hemkund Sahib, Haridwar, Nanda Devi National Park. Adventure sports like river rafting, mountaineering, rock climbing is also carried out in Uttarakhand.